So in this video, I'll show you two methods on how to withdraw money to bank account from Binance. So the first method is after you open up now your Binance app like this, go ahead and tap on this search and search for withdrawal. So search for withdraw. So by tapping on this with, now it will give you this withdraw page. So tap on this option. So after you select this one, here it says withdraw. So now tap on this option now and select your currency. So go ahead now and search for the currency that you are using. So let's say if you found your currency in this option now, let's say I will use this one. After you select your currency, from this option now, it will give you the prepaid bank that Binance now is using to send money to your currency. So let's say now is my currency is this one and the bank is this one. So now if I tap on this continue button, it will ask me to type in the bank details and it has specified the amount. From there, I can be able to withdraw the money into my bank account. And the second method to withdraw your money into your bank account is after you come to this option, all you have to do now, tap on this. After you tap on this option now, let's say now go ahead and search for your currency again. So let's say now my currency is GHS. So after you tap on your currency, if there is any bank available for this for now to withdraw, it will give you an option to use P2P Express. So tap on this continue button. So after it take you to P2P, now tap on this sell button. So now tap on this option now to select your currency. So go and search for your currency that you are using. So my own is GHS. Here is the currency my own. After you search for your currency, make sure you choose this sell button. Under the sell button, now go and specify the bank. So go and specify the bank, tap on this bank transfer, confirm. So from this option, go and specify the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say for me, I want to withdraw just like 500 of my currency. So from this option now, go ahead now and search for the person you want to sell your USDT to him. So let's say now I want to send it to this person. I'll tap on the person sell button. So after you tap on the sell button, now it will ask you to type in the bank. So if you tap on this bank button, so go ahead and add in your bank details. If you finish adding your bank detail, it will appear like this now. So after you go back, you can be able to see your bank detail. From there, you can tap on this place order. So now this person will go ahead now and send you the amount that you want to sell. This person will go ahead and send me the 500 GHS to my bank account, and I will give him 32 USDT in return. After the person has paid you, he will place a button from his side. Then this place order button will turn to receive. So you can just go back to your bank, go back to your account and confirm that this person has sent you this 500 amount that you requested. So after you receive the amount, this button will change to receive. If you tap on the receive button, from there Binance will give the person 32 USDT since he has already sent you the amount of the currency that you requested. From there, the money will be sent into your bank account. That's it on how to withdraw money to bank account from Binance.